it possible that this amendment could kill political competitiveness? And why should we treasure political competitiveness anyway?
You see, having the leader of opposition is just one aspect of political competitiveness. It's not that if the leader of opposition is there, then competition would be there. We have been killing political competitiveness over time, systematically. We have beaten opposition in public rallies. We have dispersed meetings of opposition. Actually, now you cannot get clearance to do any opposition meeting anywhere in Uganda. We have rigged election for opposition members of parliament. Yeah, we have commercialized politics. If you go down there, the RDC, the DISOs are all on the side of the NRM individuals. You know, there is no distinction between the state government and the regime. So those of us who are opposition, even when you are leading by 800 votes, at the time of declaring, they say, I lost by 26 votes. You say, okay, the law calls for a recount. Before you declare, let's recount. The difference is 26 votes. The invalid votes are 480. The law says recount. Let me first consult Kampala. Then they say, no, you are a lawyer, you know what to do, go to court. So the space of the opposition has been dwindled. And Canary, we risk as a country making this struggle tribal. Because the excesses of PLU, people are blindly blaming Banyankole. And this one we must stop. I was in Mbarara 3 weeks ago. I stayed there for 3 days. I just drove. I went and played golf. I went and played pool. And you see people struggling with their lives. Someone in Anarana even said, Honorable Otto, I have not eaten since morning. Help me with 5,000. But on the other parts of the country, it is very easy to say, you Banyankoles are the ones doing these things to us. We should stop. Because those kind of comments are genocidal and it will lead this country into more things. When northern Uganda was having a war, we brought a motion to have northern Uganda declared a disaster area. Those who moved the motion were not from Acholi. Actually, the person who moved the motion to declare northern Uganda disaster area was Darabia Mokama. I think from Toro or from Ankole. People like Maria Matembe cried in parliament that northern Uganda women are suffering. They are moving in the camps without pads. We have to declare this place a disaster area. Today, where is she? Where is Matembe? What kind of life is that? What kind of life is that? For me, Otto, if you send me to arrest Matembe, I have to spend 2 hours thinking which part of her body to hold. She's old. You hold the hands, it may remain in your hands. Where is Matembe? The husband is asking, where is my wife? Where is Maria Matembe? You people there. It was from Lukwago to Matembe. Even her age. Even her advanced age. You can't treat people like that. You can't. We are citizens. We are not slaves. And you say you are PLU?
Well, Doctor.
Yes. It's a sad state of the environment is I don't know. The environment is precarious. It's a sensitive time, yeah, for the country.
Maybe also the most important thing that we should be asking is the interference of internal affairs of opposition political parties.
Yes. That's why initially I was asking, where is democracy working? You see, these ideas, for example,